this is it. We're doing the last number on the Hermetic memory wall, and it is the number 6. And this also inspired me to realize what I want to start doing with this series that I just started that's linked to here. Because this number 6 only has 2 entries in it. It's no number 7. And so I'm going to talk about number 6 on the Tree of Life and how it seems to connect everything. And so now that we have all of these entries done about what's written here, I'm going to go through and talk about each of those numbers on the Tree of Life. And I'm going to put those on the series and keep them more private because I have a feeling not everyone that follows this page is super interested in this stuff. So if you are, I'm going to start doing it there to the more dedicated audience who is into it. So that's the plan for the series, and now we'll get started on number 6. So the first number 6 comes from the yogic tradition, Satsampat, or right conduct, also known as the 6 treasures of the Vedanta. And these are the 6 ways to right living: tranquility, self-restraint, tolerance, endurance, faith, and mental equipoise. I feel like if we could harvest those, we'd all be in pretty good shape. And then from the Aztec is the Toltec sixth sun, and that's a cool one because it is the next stage of consciousness. According to the Aztec mythos, we're going from the 5th stage of thinking to the 6th stage of thinking. And now let's go over to the entire Tree of Life. And number 6 is right here in the middle. It is the sun, but if you view the entire Tree of Life as a microcosm of the body, this is you right here. This is your own sun. This is your own spark of the divine light. And 6 is so important here because it is right here on that central pillar of fire. You have the priestess here that connects you directly to the oneness, to the fountainhead. And then you have the art card connecting you down to your foundation and all the way down to Malkuth and the earth. And so 6 can be seen as energy in complete balance manifestation. It is the point, now self-conscious and able to look back at itself, and as well as above and below. And it's also known as the throne of mercy and glory. And so the starting and ending place of all purely beneficial magical expeditions. And so this is also known as beauty. And it connects to all of these incredibly important major arcana cards connect here, which makes sense. You have the Hermit connecting to the spirit of mercy. You have Adjustment or Justice, depending on your deck, connecting to the Strength card, the Mars. And then you have the Devil, who is the earthiest part of fire, connecting down to Splendor. And then you have Death connecting you to Venus and victory. And so, and then all of the minor arcana connected with this are really good ones. According to the old Hermetic deck, the swords are the Lord of earned success. The wands are the Lord of victory. The cups are the Lord of pleasure. The pentacles are the Lord of material success as well. And so it's all of these great balanced cards. And also, you have the princes here, or you might say the lower male energies. You have the upper male energies here, and the upper female energies here, the lower female energies here. So here you have all of these princes. The Lord of the winds and the breezes, the Lord of flame and lightning, the Lord of waves and water, Lord of the wild and fertile land. And this is one of the reasons that I think it's great to have some kind of Tree of Life or some kind of memory palace about this stuff on your wall, because for me, so often it is helpful to sit here and face this and think about all of this being me, and especially which of these cards are connecting me to all of these important energies. So that's what I would say about the number 6, and for the rest of the Hermetic memory wall, I will see you in the series.